Look at her, he's asleep. Hey. What? What's going on? Come on, you ready to wake up the kiddos?
Hey, John can't find his air horn. Can we borrow yours?
Go ahead. Hey, you ready? Sure. Put a shirt on. Oh, it's cold. You're cold? Oh, yeah.
It's because you got that fan on. You're lucky you're not sick.
Yeah. Okay, why do you put that fan on? It's cold in here. Yeah, let's wake them up. I don't know if I should leave that to the girls.
They want you to. That's why they bought it for you. Turn the light on. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to you guys. Come on.
You guys wanted to use the horn. There it is.
There you go.
Hello, little girls.
Hey, you guys can blow.
Merry Christmas.
John's tweaking out his bed.
It's time to get up and open up presents.
Get out of there, Dylan. Come on, Mike. You ready? Huh?
You gotta put a shirt on, Dill.
Oh yeah, you gotta put a shirt on, definitely. Hey girls.
Hi, Miss Alex.
I'm dizzy.
That's because you haven't been to sleep very long.
Get up.
You guys ready to do this?